I'm on a workshop, group workshop with Mr. Jason Jones there. We decided to put something together, George and the Dragon style. We're in Denoa Quarry. How insane is this? Guess what? We come down the caves, you get some nice train tracks, that's what we can see now. Got some lovely rail tracks leading all the way down and outside. So if you're interested in this sort of stuff, here they go. Look, it's always about the adventure as well as the photography as well, so make sure everyone's Another day on a workshop. We're out with Jason Jones, there he is. Two of us are teamed up, George and the Dragon as we be repeating. Yeah, we're on our way up Watkins Path this morning. The low mist, the low cloud, it's just stunning. The first thing that caught my eye was the fern. So Darren's down here shooting that, sorting out a composition on that. Paul's gone down a bit lower, he's looking at the vertical shot, looking up through, there's a nice little curve of the line going up through underneath the bridge. Glenn, you know me and names, I'm doing well, I've got 2 out of 3 so far. Glenn, I spotted some sort of heavy moss and the light was glinting on it, so he sort of dipped down on that side and had a bit of a go at that. Jackie's just taking it simple at the moment, she's got her iPhone out, she's going to go easy, waiting for the piece de resistance. Jason, well you know Jason, he'll just take a picture of anything and tell you it's good. Oh, he's got a good eye for a shot, hasn't he? Right, we are at the falls.